What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to bring you another project that I feel like you guys may like. Now, when we all think about cryptocurrency, we all think about investing, honestly. It's about how much money you could really make, what you can be a part of that could potentially raise your generational wealth, as well as, not even just to that level, but maybe just a smaller level where you're just looking to set your family up for the rest of their lives, right? At least you and, give something to your kids and all that stuff, right? You look at, 70% of people or households hold less than $1,000 in their bank account. Like, you're looking at families that aren't set up for the retirement, families that aren't set up to give to the next generation. And honestly, it's very stressful. So we're always looking for an opportunity to do just that, which is to give to that next generation, which is to be a part of something a lot bigger. So in this video, I want to take you guys through a project that came across my desk. Sorry, my hat's really bothering me. A project that came across my desk that I think you guys should be aware of, should maybe at least understand a little bit. It is a project that's for the meme coins. It's a meme coin for meme coins, a platform for meme coins, and really for creating that thing that we want, which is either just wealth or generational wealth. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, help out MemePad by checking out their links. I'll provide everything for this project down below. But let's go ahead and dive into this website really quick and see what it's all about. So, hottest meme coins on Solana. This is MemePad.ai. MemePad is where real meme coin degens go to get filthy rich. Next gen coins, rug proof and ready to pump. So you have MemePad Soul, that's on Twitter, which we can go and look at their Twitter account, which currently has 21.2 thousand followers at the moment. So obviously you're seeing a little bit of popularity around this, and honestly, you think about it, anything that really can get somebody or potentially could get a lot of people filthy rich, I would say. I'll put it in quotes because you never know what that term really means to that person, but make them more wealthy is definitely something that we're all for and that people will follow. Looking at launching soon on MemePad, you have 2 days, 0 hours, 9 minutes, and 28 seconds. Forget everything you know about meme coins. This is the one you've been waiting for. Prepare to be amazed. Proposed launches, MemePad's proposed upcoming meme coins. Get ready to ape. Don't be the loser that FOMOs later. Obviously, that's something that I've done in the past. FOMO into plays as you see things that are running. You want to make sure you get in the beginning stages of things, because that just gives you that ability to grow a lot faster, a lot quicker. Crypto Mango. You have Caesar, one meme coin king to rule them all. You have Degen Yoki. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Degen Play, Degen to win. Let's scroll down here. Phase 1 community round has been sold out. Phase 2 strategic round is currently ongoing. If you want to, check that out as well. The F is a meme coin, and not just a meme coin, not just a launch pad. MemePad is a shield against fraud, a catalyst for innovation, and a home for the next gen of meme coins on Solana. If you look at the information again up top, how it said that pre-sale ended with 370 Sol that has been raised. You see how much Sol is worth. So adding zeros to that as you see it. Let's keep scrolling down here. Memenomics. So the total supply, you're looking at a total supply of 10 million coins, which is not bad at all, right? That leaves a lot of room for growth when it comes to not just being a penny or a percent of a penny, like $1, $2, $3, $5, things like that, right? KOLs is worth 5% of that supply. Early community investors, 2%. Strategic is 12.5%. Launchpad, 4%. 4% for public. 12% for team, 15% for marketing, 14.5% for ecosystem rewards, 9% development, 6% airdrop, 8% DEX liquidity, and 8% CEX liquidity. So they really have it mapped out, really have it broken out there. If you look at the roadmap here, you have 1 MemePad ideation, you have KOL strategic round for 2, for 3 you have pre-sale initiation, product launch for 4, token launch, then they're looking at the meme animated series, and to the moon, right? Moving everything to the moon and getting everybody very wealthy in the process. Product features, you have airdrops, you have member levels. Let's go into this. MemePad membership holders, get ready for boosts. You're snagging up to 5x airdrop multipliers, 50% bonus staking rewards, and bigger allocations in future launches. Staking and farming, get a slice of trading fees and help stabilize the MemePad token. Various farms will be created for the Solana ecosystem, creating farm pools with tokens such as MPAD to Sol, to Bonk, to WIF as well. Launchpad, MemePad will become the go-to launchpad, dropping the hottest meme and utility-based tokens for the Sol ecosystem and beyond, with absolute security for investors. That could be very interesting. Security and quality. MemePad is more than a launchpad. It is a shield against fraud. No rugs, no scams, fully centralized and vetted. Base teams only. We ensure funds are spent wisely, investing team tokens on KPIs, no dumping, right resources and strategy. Quality, MemePad only launches 100 to 1000x potential projects. Launches are handled by expert teams and incubators, marketers, and previous project founders, leaders, and MemePad projects there. So you have the MemePad token, staking, key to raise, key to invest, LP provision, MemePads, just a lot of information to really go through. If you guys want to go and check it out, feel free to check it out for yourself, because again, this could be something that could be big, right? You never know what's going to be that next major launch, major move, right? Major Uniswap or Pancake Swap or Shiba Inu or Pepe or whatever that's out there. And I just want to be or have a little slice of something, right? A little slice of everything, because you honestly never know. $100 could turn into $100,000. And it's like, okay, now I'm set up to establish myself in so many other areas because of how much I gained right here, right? And it's not saying it's a given that that's going to happen, but you honestly never know. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below for MemePad. I'll provide them all up at the top. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.